tried several different ways to set this phone up, but I can't get a good angle, so I'm just going to have to hold the phone and do it by hand. Now I got this as part of a special with Advanced Auto Parts. You buy 2 5-gallon quarts of synthetic oil, I think. Yep. And submit your receipt, and you get a free drive coffee kit in the mail. And when I looked them up online, they're about $50 a piece. So here we go. Long may we drive, Pennzoil. The coolest thing about this whole kit is this neat little oil can. Pennzoil, Advanced Auto Parts. Dark roast from Guatemala. Haven't opened it yet. Might as well. Look at that one-handed finger strength. Woo! Smells good. Got a coaster. Reckon that's for your cup holder in your car. Absorb spills. Hand crank for a manual coffee bean grinder. Pretty neat. Everything branded as Pennzoil. And in here, look at that dexterity. What else can he do with his hands? Pretty badass Pennzoil coffee mug. Long may we drive. Real wood cap. Well, that joker's on there tight. Maybe I bragged about my hands too much. There we go. That's it. Pretty cool. That's the prize there, right there. That's neat. And it only took me 6 weeks to get it.